Alright. You see some serious. Get a nice little car pro box as them call it. And guess what? Straight at home. You ever watch a cartoon Phineas and Ferb and they be like, what are we gonna do today? And then eventually they figure out what they're gonna do today, and then next thing you know, they build a whole skyscraper. Well, guess what? I think I am like them. I'm wondering like what I'm gonna do today. Then I'm like, I know what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna take 5,000 Jamaican dollars. I'm gonna rent a car. I am gonna drive to Kingston. And what I do next will surprise you. I dub this video Country Come a Town. I have to introduce you to somebody, people. I mean something, like one of my favorite thing in the world. Her name is Greenisha. Like, I have to tell you the truth, when she and I are together, trust me, it's just pure vibe. So let me show you her, peeps. This is Greenisha, and you see how beautiful she look? So yeah man, let me give you a little history. She and I became friends a good while now, and everywhere I go she's there. We've rode to the beach together, we've rode into my hometown Ocherias together, we've rode to a lot of places. But she's been pestering me lately and saying that she has never rode in Kingston before. So she found out that I'm going to Kingston today, and she said, I want you to take me. So Greenisha, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you with me to Kingston, and when I am in Kingston, I am going to ride you. Actually in a little scheme, but yeah, it's still Kingston. So yeah man. So, I go bring my bicycle from Senton, go a town, just so I can ride it, so I can say, yeah, me ride the bicycle a town. So, bragging rights, I really that me I go do it for. It sound good still, you know, when I think about it. I reason with my friend, I say, yo, you see that bicycle what me have, yo, me I ride this a town already, you know. Them a go say like, move from here, so I lie you tell me. I go say, actually, I don't even know serious, me right now, me ride the town already for real, you know. So yeah man, you can stand it there, yeah, stand it there, yeah. So yeah man, that is one thing that I'm up to. So, what next thing I could have really up to right now? My sister, I have to tell her man. You see my sister, Miss is young country girl. I have to tell her the truth. She really make me proud. She is one of the first person in our family, my immediate family, to go college. And I tell her like a couple times, well, I invest in her as well and thing. Everybody invest in her, whole heap of people invest in her, family members as well. And I tell her, say, I have to be honest, a lot of the time when I even take some of my last money, I can say, and invest in her, I worry and I say, yo, one day she got disappoint me, man. But, guess what? She never disappoint me since. So, yes, it's true, a long time I not really get to see my sister. 2 weeks now. Me, I go drive, go town also. And me, I go surprise her. You see me? Cause she never knows me I come. Oh, so you thought I was kidding, huh? Bicycle in a car. I come from country coconut. You don't know anything set. When country I come a down. Alright, out there man, it's gonna rain a fall. Alright people, so I just hit the highway to go into Kingston. Look and tell me what does that sign says. I don't know, but it says something though. So yeah man. I'm there in a car, you don't know me and bro. Yeah bro, and we heading to town, you know. Yes, I chop this. Sis, let me tell you, t-shirt. You don't know, big up your design, you see it. QQ, big up yourself, you don't know it chop. Kingston setting. Hear me a send a man bicycle in a chunker, everything, coconut and guinea. So me a care for my people them. Country, come at town. I'm gonna show you how serious me be right now. I have to ride my bicycle at town. And that me I tell you. Yeah, alright. Out there people. Alright peeps, so this is the first phase of the toll. So we're gonna get a little white ticket and then we're gonna continue our journey to Kingston. Country, come at town. Onward, soldier. So as you can see, this is extreme fog.
Something up ahead, something up ahead.
Something up ahead, so I have to keep my eyes open. I can barely see people. I can barely see.
Go in front, man.
Alright, peeps, so I reach clearance, man, me glad. Yo, me never sit up there so fog up here. Man, me can lock off my wife now. Woo! Yeah man, country come at town. I don't know where to go. Yeah, well, I'm on my way still. Woo! God. So reach, yeah man, already them out. Reach town, you know. Reach town now, peeps. And we are trying to find a way. We never bother call my sister and ask her for no direction. So here,
1.5 kilometers.
Well, there I use GPS. Remember the plaza here. Alright, so when I go after this, I so make you know. Whoa, a long time I don't see so much water at all. Sister, we find a yard, man. Mad thing, is it? In Regina house right now, and she never expect none of this. And which one of them again? Too much of them house a favor, you know, man. Watch ya now. I think that one, you know. Of course. Put on your tracks, can we have a video? Put on your tracks, can we have a video? Come here, man. Come here, we have a video, man. I want you. She take the longest, man. Yeah. She never expect none of this. Man, I reach a town, you don't know a thing set, and that's one thing what I did do and do. Surprise my sister. Yo, come hug me up again, Gina. Come hug me up again. Come hug me up again. Don't know, then I ask. Come hug me up again, sister. Alright, so that's one thing now. And the next thing what I want to do is ride my bicycle. Greenisha, you get to ride in town, baby. Alright, I'm gonna bring coconut for my people. There, me a see it. Coconut. Me bring jelly. Me and Raj actually we bring banana. And yeah, country come at town. You see it? A mad thing. Oh, by the way, peeps, she wants to show you that this is her prepared outfit. Oh, Jesus, look at that buttocks. Oh, Lord. I should not show that on my YouTube channel. Anyways, people, country boy,
Country
come a
boy.
town. I'm gonna ride my bicycle. Town. Alright, everybody, welcome to the end of my video, and it's already done, Country Boy. Thank you for watching my video, and please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you again. You come on.